It's not legal because you might be interacting with somebody in a sexual way, or you
Mhm.
might not be. It just depends on the client.
Mhm.
But it wasn't legal. But my kids were grown, and I was okay with that. And I was very careful with how I described what I was doing, and you know, um, so I have variously described that work as sacred intimate, or sex coaching, or sacred whore was another term that came up based on a long lineage of doing engaging with people erotically for purposes.
Kind of reclaiming that word, right?
Yes, reclaiming that word, and among friends, just plain whore, which I came to appreciate as again a reclaiming. It's a word I say with tremendous respect and
Mm.
gratitude,
Mhm.
um, and also recognizing that I have a privileged position, that I don't have to work on the street. I don't have to take any client that I don't want to take.
Mhm.
So I realize that that's a privileged position as far as sex work goes.
Right.
But as far as the law went, I wasn't legal,
Yeah.
and I was okay with that. And the uh, yeah, so on the one hand, I had clients who I was doing sex coaching with that were very, very careful, very slow. We were always clothed. We would do exercises about embodiment and setting boundaries and asking for what you want, and all these basic skills, which are really not about sex, but they have a tremendous effect on your sexual experience. Of course, they do. And I learned that
Yeah.
most of the problems people have with sex are really not about sex. They're about learning how to be happy in your own skin, learning how to relax, learning how to notice what you want and trust it and communicate it, knowing how to respect your own boundaries, knowing how to respect somebody else's boundaries, being comfortable with your own experience of pleasure, knowing how to receive a gift, how to give a gift,